Hello and welcome. You are now looking at Jasper.ai. And Jasper.ai is an artificial intelligence platform that you can use in order to create digital content. Jasper can be used for social media content, for advertising content, for articles, for emails, for your website, as well as art for your digital projects. It's designed to be used along with input so that it provides output that you can use in your business. Jasper also has a Chrome and/or Microsoft Edge browser extension to make the process even easier. The company is backed by venture financing as well as angel investors. There is a free trial available if you currently do not have a Jasper account. And all you'll need to do is to come to jasper.ai to click on the Try Free button. You will then need to create an account. As of the recording of this video, Jasper has both monthly and annual plans. You can check on the monthly plan in terms of costs as well as availability of features, and then there is a slight discount if you choose to have an annual plan. You can further see the elements that you have available to you in the comparison chart. Now, Jasper is not a desktop application. It is an online application that works on your web browser. And finally, Jasper does produce content in languages other than the English language. And you'll be able to find out more about this on the Jasper website. There is a Facebook user group that does not require a purchase in order for you to become part of the group. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the first video.